Good morning students. Today we are going to start chapter 9, that is multiplication and division of fractions. In last video we have completed our chapter 8. Okay. Now this is 9 chapter which you are having for your midterm exam. Okay. Now multiplication of a fraction is a first term which we are going to see in this chapter. So you have to give heading multiplication of fraction in the notebook. After that what you are going to write? Multiplication of fraction with a whole number. Multiplication of fraction by a whole number. So this heading you have to write. This is also very easy. Multiplication of fraction by a whole number. See the example here. See, for multiplication is repeated addition. This is the example given here. 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 3. 3 repeated 4 times. 3 repeated 4 times. Okay. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 12. So we have to use this method only. Make use of the same definition, multiplying fraction and a whole number. See now, example 1, multiply 1 by 2 by 3. So 1 by 2 into 3, by means multiply by 3. So half repeated 3 times, half repeated 3 times, half plus half plus half. So 2 is the common denominator and 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3 by 2. This we can write as a mixed fraction, that is one integer 1 by 2. Yes. So rule is what here? A fraction multiplied by a whole number is equal to numerator of the fraction into whole number upon denominator of the fraction. Yes. Numerator and the whole number multiplication you have to write in the numerator, and denominator of the fraction is the same. So by using this rule also we can see half into 3 how we can solve. Half into 3 is equal to 1 into 3, that is numerator of a fraction, and 3 is the whole number. Numerator of fraction into whole number divided by denominator of the fraction. So 1 into 3 by 2 is equal to 3 into 1, 3 by 2, which we can convert into mixed fraction, that is 1 integer 1 by 2. So this is the shortcut method. This is the repeated addition method. This is repeated addition method. Okay. So both the methods you can use, whatever which you will feel easy. Yes. So see another example here. Multiply 3 by 4 by 5. 3 by 4 is a fraction, 5 is a whole number. 3 by 4 multiplied by 5. So 3 by 4 repeated 5 times. So it is written 5 times with the addition symbol, a sign. So 3 plus 3 5 times upon denominator 4. So 3 plus 3 5 times means 15 by 4, which we can write 3 integer 3 by 4. That is 4 3s are 12, 15 minus 12 is 3 and 4. And by using formula when we are saying 3 by 4 multiplied by 5. So numerator into whole number 3 into 5 by 4, 15 by 4 is equal to 3 integer 3 by 4. Like this. Okay. So what you will do? After these two headings you are going to write the example, you are going to write the rule. Okay. And then this example you have to write, example 2, in both the methods. Okay. This method also and this method also. In the notebook you have to write only one example, write down. Yes. Same with the example 3 and 4 is given. We will see the fourth example. Here mixed fraction is given to you. So what we will do first here? Mixed fraction 3 integer 5 by 6 by 8. So 3 integer 5 by 6 multiplied by 8. So this you are going to convert into mixed fraction, that is 6 3s are 18 plus 5 23 by 6 into 8. So numerator and whole number multiplication upon 6. So 8 and 6 is divisible with the 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Okay. This we are going to divide. So after division 23 and 4 multiplication you have to do. 23 4s are 92 and here 3. So this you are going to convert into mixed fraction. That is 3 3s are 9, 3 zeros are 0, 2 integer 2 upon 3, like that. Okay. Now we are going to see exercise 33 on the multiplication of fraction by a whole number. Okay. So see some examples I am solving here. Multiply. You have to write all questions of the exercise in the notebook. I am going to solve some questions. So see that some questions how I am going to solve. Exercise 33. Multiply. I am solving the first question, that is 1 by 2 multiplied by 5. Okay, so 1 is the numerator of fraction, 5 is a whole number. Formula I am writing using divide by 2. Okay, so your answer will come 5 by 2. This we can write as a mixed fraction, that is 2 2s are 4, 5 minus 4 is 1 upon 2. ओके, 5 को आपको 2 से डिवाइड करना है. आपका क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे आएगा डिनोमिनेटर आपको सेम लिखना है. ओके, नेक्स्ट नाउ आई एम सॉल्विंग सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन. 7 by 8 into 12. So 7 multiplied by 12 upon 8 or by 8. So what I am doing here, see, this 12 and 8 divisible with the 4. Yes, 4 से डिवाइड होता है दोनों को. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Understood? So remaining now 7 and 3 multiplication. 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21 and 2 as it is. Okay, so 21 by 2. This you have to write in the mixed fraction. So see, 2 1s are 2, 2 zeros are 0, remainder 1 and 2. 10 integer 1 by 2. Now I am solving ninth question. 21 divided by 25, 21 by 25 into 10. 21 multiplied by 10 upon 25. So 25 and 10 divide with the 5 now. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. 21 2s are 42 upon 5. 5 8s are 40, 2 remainder and 5 is the denominator. Okay, now see, mixed fraction question I am solving now. I am solving the 12th question. 4 integer 1 by 6 multiplied by 21. So 4 integer 1 by 6 we are going to convert into improper. 6 4s are 24 plus 1, 25 upon 6 multiplied by 21. Now this 25 into 21 upon 6. Now 21 and 6 are divisible with the 3. Yes, both the numbers are divisible with the 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. Okay, so 25 7s are, you have to, if you are not knowing 25 table, you have to multiply. 7 5s are 35, 3 carry, 7 2s are 14 plus 3 17. टेबल लर्न करने आपको अगर नहीं आता है तो आपको ऐसा टाइम वेस्ट होता है. अपॉन 2. नाउ दिस यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट इनटू मिक्स फ्रैक्शन. सी, 17 and here 2, so 16 we will take, that is 2 8s are 16, 1 remainder 15, 2 7s are 14, 1 remainder and 2 denominator. So this is the answer of 12th question. Okay, now one last question I am solving now, mixed fraction only. 16 question. 2 integer 10 by 21 multiplied by 28. So 21 2s are 42, 42 plus 10 52 upon 21 multiplied by 28. 52 multiplied by 28 अपॉन 21. ओके, दोनों का एक ही डिनोमिनेटर लिखना है, अलग अलग दो यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन नहीं करने आपको. नाउ दिस नंबर्स बोथ 20 एंड 21 डिवाइड विद द 7. 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. Okay, now 52 4s are 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8 and 5 4s are 20. 208 divided by 3. Now divide this 208 with the 3. See, 3 6 are 18, 2 remainder 28, 3 9s are 27, 1 remainder and 3 denominator. Okay, so this is the answer. In this way, remaining questions from the exercise 33 you have to solve properly. Okay, some question I have already solved, or the remaining question you have to solve yourself. Now see, after exercise 33, this is the next topic, that is multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. First we have seen whole number, now in the place of whole number fraction is given. Means two fractions multiplication we are going to do now. Okay. So for that rule is given to you. This your heading you have to give after the exercise 33 and then write the rule. Rule is what here? Product of two fractions is equal to product of their numerators by product of their denominators. Numerator multiplication and then denominator multiplication. Okay. If any of the fractions is a mixed numeral or a whole number, change it into improper fraction and multiply. Okay. Now see, example, solve example first. Example first is multiply 7 by 10 by 5 by 21. So 7 by 10 multiply by 5 by 21. So multiplication of the numerators, that is 7 multiplied by 5 upon 10 multiplied by 21. So whatever numbers are divisible with any number, that you have to divide. Okay. So see, 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. हमेशा न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर का ही डिवीजन करना है, न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर से मत डिवाइड करो. ओके. सो आंसर इज 1/6. नाउ सी मिक्स फ्रैक्शन एंड फ्रैक्शन. 7 इंटीजर 1/12 plus 8 by multiply 8 by 15. So first this you have to convert, that is 85 by 12 into 8 by 15. 85 into 8, 12 into 15. So 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. This multiplication. Now 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35. So 17 2s are 34, 3 3s are 9. And then this convert into mixed. That is 9 3s are 27, 27, 34 minus 27, 7 and 9 denominator, that is 3 into 7 by 9. Example third, multiply 35 by 6 integer 1 by 14. Here whole number is given again. So whole number 35 into 6 integer 1 by 14. 35 is not having denominator. इसको डिनोमिनेटर नहीं, तो जहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर नहीं रहता है हमेशा आप उसके नीचे 1 लिखो. Okay. So 35 by 1 into this conversion is 85 upon 14. Write the numerators, 35 into 85, 1 into 14. Okay. So 7 5 is 35, 7 2 is 14. Then multiply 5 and 85, 425 upon 2. Conversion 212 integer 1 by 2. Okay. So same way example 4 is also given. Now we are going to solve exercise 34. See, all questions are having fraction into fraction. Yes. So we are going to solve some questions from that. So see how to solve these questions. Exercise 34, I am solving the third question. That is 14 upon 27 multiplied by 12 upon 35. So numerator multiplication, 14 into 12 upon 27 into 35. So divide it first. Now see, 14 and 35 I am multiplying, dividing. 7 2s are 14, 7 5s are 35. Yes, 7 2s are 14, 7 5s are 35. Now this 12 and 27 I am dividing with the 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 9s are 27. This cutting division you have to do properly. Yes. यहाँ पे 14 और 12 है तो यहाँ पे आप 2 से डिवाइड मत करो. हाँ, आपको ऊपर और नीचे ही डिवाइड करना है हमेशा. 4 2s are 8, 9 5s are 45. Yes. Now next question I am solving. Fifth question. See, sixth integer 5 by 12 multiply by 6 upon 11 or 6 by 11. Now this mixed fraction you have to convert first, that is 12 6 are 72 plus 5 77 upon 12 into 6 by 11. So next step is numerator, both numerator multiplication and both the denominator multiplication. After this you are getting very easy numbers for division, that is 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 11 1s are 11, 11 7s are 77. Your answer become 7 multiplied by 1 7, 2 multiplied by 1 2. 7 upon 2 you can convert into mixed fraction, that is 2 3s are 6, 1 remainder, so it is 3 integer 1 by 2. 8th question, 28 multiply by 2 integer 10 by 21. Okay, so here I have already told you, if denominator is not given you have to write the 1. डिनोमीटर जहाँ पे नहीं है वहाँ पे आपको 1 लिखना है. इसको हम कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं इम्प्रॉपर में. 21 टू ज़ 42 प्लस 10 52 अपॉन 21. ओके, now do the next step, that is 28 multiplied by 52 and 1 into 21. 21 and 28 comes in 7 table, so divide with 7. 7 4s are 28, 7 3s are 21. So your next step, directly you can multiply, because 52 is not divisible with the 3, we cannot divide it. So 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20, 208 divided with 3. Convert into mixed fraction, 3 6 are 18, 28 now, 3 9s are 27, 1 upon 3. Okay, this is your answer. 6 integer 3 by 16 multiply by 7 integer 7 by 11. First convert into improper. 16 6 are 96 plus 3 99 upon 16 multiply by 11 7 are 77, 77 plus 7 84 by 11. Now 99 multiply by 84, 16 multiply by 11, 11 1s are 11, 11 9s are 99. Divide this with the 4. I am dividing these two numbers with the 4. 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4. Okay. Now 21 9 multiplication, that is 189 upon 4. Divide and write mixed fraction. 4 4s are 16, 2 remainder 29, 4 7s are 28, 1 remainder by 4, 47 integer 1 by 4. Now 17th question I am solving. 23 integer 7 by 16 multiply by 2 integer 14 by 25. So 16 and 23 multiplication, plus 7, 25 to the 50, multiply this 16 and 23, 16th is a 48, 4 carry, 16 to the 32 plus 4, 36 plus 7. Okay, multiplication when it is big you have to write the stepwise here. 50 plus 14, 64 upon 25. Now this you have to do addition, that is 7 plus 8, 15, 1 carry 7, 3 upon 16, 64 upon 25. 375 multiplied by 64, 16 multiplied by 25. Divide now. 16 1 are 16, 16 4 are 64. Divide this number with 25. Or you can divide with 5. 5 5 are 25. 5 7 are 35. 37 minus 35 2. 5 2 are 5 5 are 25. Again we can divide with the 5 here. 5 1 are 5. 75 को वापस 5 से डिवाइड करो. 5 1 are 5. Then 2 remainder, 5 5 are 25. Okay. 15 multiplied by 4, that is 60. 60 upon 1 लिखा या नहीं लिखा तो भी चलेगा. 60 upon 1 is equal to 60 only. So your answer is 60 here. Nineteen question now. See, 3 by 5 multiplied by 1 by 6 multiplied by 2 by 3. Okay. 3 into 1 into 2. 5 into 6 into 3. Very easy it is. See now. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. Yes. Now remaining numbers are right. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. 5 3s are 15. 1 by 15 is the answer of this question. Okay. Now last time solving 20 question. 2 integer 1 by 4 multiply by 1 integer 1 by 5 multiply by 3 integer 1 by 3. So stepwise you have to go. 4 to the 8 plus 1 9. 9 by 4 improper fraction. 5 1 are 5 plus 1 6 by 5. 3 3 are 9 plus 1 10 by 3. Now 9 into 6 into 10 upon 4 into 5 into 3. Okay. Now see, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Understand the division properly. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Understand? Again this 2 and 2 you have to divide. That is 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Okay. So remaining number is what here? Only 9. So your answer becomes 9 by 1 is equal to 9. Remaining questions from this exercise you have to solve properly by using or taking the reference of the solve examples. Okay. Now we are going to see word problems on multiplication of fractions. Okay. So now I am going to solve here, explain you one example which is solved here in the textbook. See the example 1. The cost of 1 liter of toned milk is rupees 26 integer 3 by 5. What is the cost of 12 integer 1 upon 2 liters of milk? Okay. So cost of 1 liter of milk is given to you, that is 26 rupees 3 upon 5. Cost of 12 integer 1 by 2 liters of milk you have to find out. So you have to multiply these both. Yes. So 26 integer 3 by 5 into 12 integer 1 by 2. Convert into improper. 133 upon 5 into 25 upon 2. 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. Then this multiplication is 665 upon 2. So when you are dividing it, you get 332 rupees 50 paise. So that is the cost of 12 integer 1 by 2 liters of milk. Okay. Same way you have to solve the next examples also. Here Rahul can walk 5 integer 2 by 5 km in an hour. How much distance will he cover in 3 integer 1 by 3 hours? Okay. So distance covered in 1 hour is given, that is 5 integer 2 by 5 km. You have to write the given things properly. Distance covered by Rahul in 3 integer 1 by 3 hours is. So this and this multiplication. 5 integer 2 by 5 into 3 integer 1 by 3 kilometer. 5 has a 25 plus 2, 27 upon 5 into 3 is a 9 plus 1, 10 by 3 kilometer. So 27 into 10, 5 into 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 9 2s are 18. So 18 kilometer. Rahul will cover 18 kilometer in 3 integer 1 by 3 hours. Okay. So like this, perimeter also given. When the questions comes on perimeter or area, you have to learn the formulas properly. Perimeter of rectangular field. Now see this question. Find the perimeter of rectangular field whose length and breadth are 16 integer 1 by 2 meter and 12 integer 3 by 4 meter. You have to find the perimeter. So perimeter of rectangle, you have to remember the formula. Length of field 16 integer 1 by 2 meter, that is 33 by 2 meter. Breadth of the field 12 integer 3 by 4 meter into is equal to 51 by 4 meter. So perimeter of the field is equal to, formula is what, 2 into bracket length plus breadth. So 2 into 33 by 2 plus 51 by 4 meter. So 2 into, here LCM is taken, okay, or you can see first fraction is multiplied with the 2. So it is 66 by 4 plus 51 by 4. So addition is 66 plus 51 by 4, that is 117 by 4. And this 2 is not having denominator, so it is 1. 2 by 1 into 117 by 4. 2 1 the 2, 2 1 the 2. 117 by 2, that is 58 integer 1 by 2 meter. Perimeter is of the field is 58 integer 1 by 2 meter. Now word problems on multiplication of fraction, exercise 35. See, first question I am solving. The cost of one pencil is rupees 3 integer 13 by 20. What is the cost of 12 such pencils? So multiply this and this number. So first you have to write the given things. Cost of one pencil is given to you. One pencil cost rupees 3 integer 13 by 20. So you have to find out 12 pencil cost. Yes. So therefore 12 pencils cost is equal to rupees 3 integer 13 by 20 multiplied by 12. Now this you have to convert into improper. 23 is 60, 60 plus 13, 73 by 20 multiply by 12 by 1. Okay, no denominator means 1 you have to write. Now see, 12 and 20 we can divide. So 4 3s are 12, 4 5s are 20. 73 into 3 now you have to do. 3 3s are 9 and 3 7s are 21. 219 by 5. So convert into improper, that is rupees 5 4s are 20, 1 remainder 19, 5 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 4 remainder, 5 denominator. So repeat 43 integer 4 by 5. So what you are going to write? Therefore the cost of 12 pencils is, the cost of 12 pencils is rupees 43 integer 4 by 5. In this way you are going to solve. Question, fourth question. A meter of cloth costs rupees 107 integer 1 by 2. A meter means 1 meter cloth. Okay, then find the cost of 2 integer 1 upon 5 meter of cloth. So same way how we are going to solve the, we have solved first question, same way you have to solve this. 1 meter cloth cost is given to you. 1 meter cloth cost is equal to rupees 107 integer 1 by 2. You have to find the cost of 2 integer 1 by 5 meter of cloth. So therefore 2 integer 1 by 5 meter cloth cost is equal to. Okay, so rupees 107 integer 1 by 2 multiply by 2 integer 1 by 5. So this multiplication you have to do. First you have to convert into improper fraction. So that is rupees, see 107 multiplied by 2, 7 2s are 14, 2 0 0, so 1 as it is, 2 1s are 2, plus 1, 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11 by 5, 215 upon 2 multiplied by 11 by 5. Now divide this 215 with the 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 50. Now rupees 43 into 11 upon 2. Multiply this now. 11 3s are 33, 3 carry, 11 4s are 44 plus 3, 47 upon 2. Convert into mixed fraction. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 1 remainder 13, 2 6 are 12, 1 remainder and 2. So what you are going to write? The cost of 2 integer 1 by 5 meter of cloth is rupees 236 integer 1 by 2. Eighth question now we are going to solve. One tin holds 16 integer 3 by 5 liters of oil. How many liters can 25 such tins hold? Okay, one tin oil capacity is given. You have to find out 25 tins capacity. So see how to solve this. Eighth question. One tin hold 16 integer 3 by 5 liters of oil. Therefore 25 tins hold is equal to 16 integer 3 by 5 into 25 liter. Convert into improper. 16 5s are 80 plus 3 83, 83 by 5 into 25 by 1 liter. 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. 83 and 5, 5 3s are 15, 1 carry, 5s are 40 plus 1, 415 liter. Okay, so statement you have to write here. Therefore 25 tins can hold 415 liter of oil. In this way, you are going to solve the problem. See now I am going to solve 10th question. See in the textbook everyone. An aeroplane covers 1020 km an hour. So 1 hour given distance is 1020 km. Okay. How much distance will it cover in 4 integer 1 by 6 hour? So therefore distance cover in 4 integer 1 upon 6 hours is equal to 1020 multiplied by 4 integer 1 by 6 kilometer. 1020 upon 1, 6 4 are 24 plus 1 25 upon 6 kilometer. Directly I am dividing this number with the 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. This 2 42. 6 sevens are 42 and 6 zeros are 0. Okay. So 170 multiplied by 25 kilometer. So you have to multiply this. 25 zeros are 0. 25 sevens are 175. 17 carry. 25 ones are 25 plus 17. 4,250 kilometer. So you have to write the statement. Therefore, an aeroplane covers 4,250 kilometer in 4 integer 1 by 6 hours. Okay. Now remaining questions from this exercise solve properly. See, this 12 question is same as the solved example given about the see here, like this. Example 3 and example 12 is same only. Use the same method for that. Find the perimeter of square plot of land whose each side is 6 integer 1 by 2 meter. Here perimeter of square formula you have to use. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. Okay. 4 into side का formula आपको use करना है यहाँ पे. 4 into side. Perimeter is equal to. Okay. By using this formula you will get the answer of 11 question. And here only multiplication. Here only multiplication. Other questions are only having multiplication. So solve it properly.